everyone, so in this video I will be demonstrating the magic finger experiment from the Pop Bottle Science Experiment book. If you are registered for the Pop Bottle Experiments through our 2020 Summer Fun program, you will have the book and bottle to follow along. So let's get started. First, you will take the bottom of your pop bottle and fill it with water to where you will easily be able to reach the top with your fingertip. Then you will sprinkle in pepper just to the surface of the water. After I sprinkled in the pepper, I took my dry fingertip and touched the surface of the water. As you can see, none of the pepper really moved and it's still sitting on the surface of the water. Next, I went to get a little bit of soap for the tip of my finger. For this video, I used foam soap. Then I touched the surface of the water, and as you can see, the pepper immediately scattered to the edge. This experiment works because the soap on my finger changes the surface tension of the water. The soap makes the water molecules hydrogen and oxygen less clingy with one another. As these molecules relaxes their grip, the surface tension relaxes and moves outward, thus causing the pepper to move away from my finger. I decided to demonstrate the video one more time for consistency. Again, I started with my water and sprinkled my pepper right on top. This time I did add a lot more pepper. Once again, I used a dry fingertip to touch the pepper on the surface of the water, then walked away to go get my soap. Now that I'm back with more soap on my finger, I touched the surface of the water. As you can see, the pepper did not go as far as there was more pepper on the surface of the water. So I decided to touch it a couple more times to see what happens with the pepper on the edge of the bottle. It still moved away from my finger. Thanks for watching.